Do you want to earn money using the assets in your crypto wallet? So let's start. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain a passive income method. You can earn money from the assets in your crypto wallet by using Binance Simple Earn. I briefly mentioned the Simple Earn option in my previous Earn video, but now I will explain the Simple Earn feature in more detail. When you open a fixed deposit account at a bank, you earn a certain interest or commission rate for the money you deposit into your account. You can do the same for your crypto wallets. Think of Binance Exchange as your bank. Since you entrust your assets to Binance, they offer you opportunities to earn gains at certain rates. This way, you're making the most of the assets in your crypto wallets. To do this, log into your Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account yet, you can sign up for the Binance Exchange using the discounted registration link below the video. This link will give you advantages in terms of commission discounts. Once you're logged into your Binance account, click on Finance Simple Earn. As you scroll down, you'll see different coins and their corresponding earning rates. APR stands for annual percentage rate, representing the annual interest rate. Note that these rates vary depending on the coins. The earning rates differ because they can depend on the project or whether there's a real-time APR. Real-time APR can change every minute, while other APR options change on a daily basis. Additionally, APR rates can vary based on your investment approach. Take Algo, for instance. Its annual APR rate is 0.33%. If you choose to make flexible investments, you'll earn 0.33% from Algo. If you decide to lock your money for specific periods, the earning rate will increase. For instance, if you choose to lock your money for 120 days, you won't be able to withdraw it during that period. If you join the program and later regret it, withdrawing your money would result in forfeiting the earned interest rate. Therefore, I recommend flexible investment. Yes, you can use the search button above to find your desired coin, or you can use the filter box here to explore other listing options. If you want to use Simple Earn for the assets in your wallet, select Match My Assets. Here, you'll see the earning rates for the coins in your wallet. You can use all of them if you want. Personally, I want to make use of my SUI tokens in my wallet with the flexible investment option. Additionally, since I don't want to deal with this every day, I'll activate the automatic option. Okay, now you can enter a number here or use the maximum amount. Here, automatic participation is already on. Notice that there's real-time APR for this investment at the top right. APR rates can change throughout the day. The daily reward I'll receive is also indicated here. There are extra zeros because I'm investing a small amount in SUI. I click on Confirm. Now I want to see what I did. I went to Wallet Earn Wallet. In the Earn Wallet, I'm in the Simple Earn section. I had chosen the flexible investment option for SUI. You can use this section for locked investments. For flexible investments, I can find SUI and the details of my SUI investment below. To withdraw this back to my spot wallet, I can click the Redeem button. I'm selecting the maximum and confirming. Yes, now I'll be able to see SUI back in my spot wallet. By using Simple Earn, you can maximize all the assets in your wallet and earn profits from them. You can also select locked programs. Your crypto coins don't need to passively stay in your wallet. Simple Earn is just that simple. By the way, this video is not investment advice. I'm telling you about the crypto world and showing you strategies that could be important in the future. It's your decision whether to invest or not. I hope you liked the video. In my videos, I explain all the features of crypto exchanges for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.